Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn padding option in CSS, how to use padding and how to apply padding in HTML form elements. We'll learn in this lecture. See here, CSS padding properties are used to generate space around an element's content inside of any defined borders. Okay. With a CSS, you have a full control over the padding. There are a property setting padding for each side of elements like a top, bottom, and the right and left. You can make it as an alignments. Padding individual slides like a CSS has properties for specifying this padding for each side of element like how we have seen our positioning and the margins how we have set right like a padding is an attribute is there along with the top and the directions top bottom right and margin all the things will cover here. Now we will see here how we are going to apply these things at like by applying of the HTML control. We'll see now how it is. Like a taking of a one div, how it is going to be. Like the same div tag I'm taking with some text, some context of some text you are going to be take some div, any div. And with this div tag, we are going to writing for here for this all the properties one by one. Let's take here as an output. Refresh. Yes. And I'm trying to change these things. Like as of now, nothing is here. Try to save it. Reload. Nothing is here. I have taken a div class and nothing is shown there. The plain div it is displaying how it is. Now I'm trying to applying this div to like making is an particular padding. You'll see here. Now the border of this div is I'm fixing the border and it should be like a 1px as your wish solid black any border if you wish to change you can change and you can take with the color as well. See the black color of the border I have initiated for the form where if you can expand how it is displayed completely it is occupied the complete whole page within the responsive so it is coming to the 3 lines. Now one more property I'm adding here like a background color I'm taking light blue terminate of the line refresh it is applied. See okay now the second next time the padding what is exactly the session is coming from here and words. Now see when I type the padding 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 here you can observe the properties called right order and left and top bottom these four things we are going to discuss now. By applying one by one we'll see how it is going to be make it as in a cell turn around the padding with the help of these options like adding so with the help of padding with the option of top I'm taking 50 px I'm applying here save reload the form have it is taken within the body like within the box and the padding now the second one is like is right padding right and the right I'm taking around 30 as you are wish to take padding left it's over no it's a left I have taken around 50 yes and padding bottom the down completely down padding bottom again I'm taking around 80 or 50 or 60 something px should be there to identify the exact the length of view. Now see here save this and all turn around complete the borders have right inside the like our div tag. Now this is you know that I'm calling with this div element within the class file Now save this and refresh. See, make turn around the page. At the top, I have a placed 50, and the left I have a placed 50, and the bottom it is in a 60, right it is in 30. See how the content is displaying within the box. Within the box also you can align your text as your wish. If you want to make it as a complete left, you just leave the left of like a padding of the left. It should be either writing of the something making it as a zero, or you can leave that property without writing anything in the class property of CSS. Then it won't be applicable over here. Likewise, by applying these things and making and controlling your text where to be displayed exactly, how to be displayed, you can take your own have an your hand of your own controlling of complete displaying and presenting the text. This is how simply you can have the session and holding the part of padding session, and you can make it as an text turnaround your control with within the HTML form. I hope you are having a good understanding about this padding session. Try to practice more and more with examples of these four attributes with the values and properties. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.